Dakal ka rin kaya katamong kabalen ng ginamit digital transactions sa niyang kasagsaganan ng COVID-19 pandemic. Pauli da kasi rin lockdown restrictions at pamaniwas kem virus, mas megi masaguli para ka rin kaya raklaning manually mamayad at maski na pa mag-invest online. Ating online dependency da rin dakal kaya katamo, mitaglos na dya pangalan ng pandemya. Kasabi na naman nini, merakala naman din kawatan na maintun malyaring abiktima online. Agpangkim Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP, ating may iyaliwang paralan na dapat tukyan bang apasikan ng kaya katamong cybersecurity.
Wala yung sangla ATM, wag natin gagawin yun. Tapos, yung paggamit ng password, dapat strong yung password, hindi yung very obvious. So, dapat strong, maraming characters, may numerical, may capital, may lowercase.
Paliwanag na ning Acting Director na ning BSP Economic and Financial Learning Office ay Arnel Adrian Salva, responsibilidad deren balang sabla ang cybersecurity.
So, magsimula tayo, mag-ingat sa sarili nating transactions. And then, of course, the government is doing its part. And then, the players are also doing their part. Kasi pag nasira yung tiwala dun sa digital payments, mahirap siyang paakyatin pa further, di ba? Kasi sabi nga nila sa English, once burnt, twice shy. Pagka nadali ka na, parang ayaw mo na magtiwala. So dapat mag-ingat tayo in the first place para imbis na masunog tayo at matakot gumamit, maging maganda yung experience natin para maingganyo tayong magpatuloy at ikalat din natin sa iba. But we cannot take for granted yung sarili nating share sa responsibility.
Agpang naman kim Bank Officer 5 ng Payments Policy and Development Department ng BSP ay Aldwin Nacional, susulong da naman ng cybersecurity kapamilita na ni mayiyaliwang regulasyon.
We issued various circulars and memoranda to all our supervised institutions to strengthen their cybersecurity policies and to have in place those that address incidents such as hacking, phishing, and all of the other cyber incidents. So mainly, this is through regulation as well as reminders.
Samantala, balaos naman kano yung partnership na ng BSP kada may yaliwang government agencies, bang pasiknangan ng financial literacy at Kebal 1, kin digital transactions na rin kaya katamong kabalen lakwas na rin at syukara marginalized sector.
In partnering with relevant agencies, including, as I said, DSWD, yung pong ating mga kababayan, nararating natin through them. So, just as an overview, dun sa mga partnerships po existing, including DSWD, we train po yung mga trainers nila. So, may mga identified trainers po yung mga ahensya na kapartner natin. Kinakapacitate po natin sila.
Through our CSR project, sir, pumupunta kami. Nag-start kami last year. Pumunta kami sa Camias Elementary School sa Porac. Part ng aming CSR Brigada Eskwela ay yung pag-educate ng ating mga estudyante na belonging to the IP, no? Yung mga Aita Maganchi yata yung nasa Porac. Aita Maganchi sila, pati yung mga teacher.
Kaya Liana Canilaw, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.